Yan si Kun guys. Having lunch. Pangalawang tinapay na niya yan. Kakyat naman ni Daddy. Magnanap daw muna. Tas alis kami. Mag-hi ka naman anak ko.
Hi po!
Wipe mo your chin. Hi guys! Maghahanap na naman kami ng lata. Tapos bibili daw si Kun ng Donald Duck Comics. Kaso, hindi muna kami didiretso doon. Dahil naamoy niya yung fries house na nadaanan namin. Gusto daw niyang mag-snack doon sa kabila. Matagal na rin hindi nakakain doon eh. Baka more than half year or baka 1 year ago na pala yung punta niya doon. Tatawid kami guys. Kasi may doon. May lata.
I'll check if it's I'll check mom.
Yan guys. May isa kaming napulot.
You can tie it with your foot.
What? What?
You should tie it with your foot and I will check if it's
Yeah. Yan si Daddy. Pero siya. Babalik din. He wants to daw? He wants to have snacks daw in Panpritor. Sit ka Kun, you keep jumping, you keep running. I'm tired na.
When will we go?
Wait a bit. Ayun si Daddy pauwi na. Hindi na naman gumagana yung sensor niya. Hindi niya ma-check yung BG. Sana hindi siya ganun kababa or check niya agad maya-maya or palitan na lang yung sensor niya. So ayun guys, yung fries house na pupuntahan namin. At ito guys, nadagdagan na yung mga lata namin. May napulot kami. Pinag-inuman nila ng beer. Come, you can cross na. It's 3:30. Mag-open sabi. Kaya naghintay pa kami doon sa may bench. There na anak ko. Put there.
Okay. Ja, okay.
Sige na anak ko.
Ik wil graag kipnuggets en frietjes.
Ja. Ja, daar is.
Frietjes zonder saus.
Zonder saus, oké. Ja.
Ja, zonder mayonaise saus.
Oké, ja.
Zonder saus.
Ja, geef nog eens, hè? Ja, ja.
Ready na yung order ko. Nagre-refill pa lang sila. As customer chicken.
Diga. Ja, normaal. Ik vind hem zoomen wel. Normaal wel, mooi weer wel. Zo, ja.
Not too loud naman anak ko.
Maar die alleen met de huur, hè?
Ja, ja.
Ja, die is de huur, zeg je.
Rapsa? Rapsa or not?
Ja.
Er zijn nog veel, hè. 4,
Nee, 2.
2.
Alleen boven eentje anders.
Grabe tong anak kong mag-ano, mag-ihip, lol. Tuhat pa, not na.
Yummy. Yummy.
Ram, 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 ram. Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Gutom na rin ako guys, lol. Almost 7 euro na to eh. Hey, go. Concentrate ka on eating. It's late na one. Hey, go. Go. It's late na oh. Come. Concentrate ka. Stay seated. Sabi ko, Kainin na lang niya yung iba habang naglalakad. Kasi, alas 4 na oh.
Cuatro is Spanish for 4.
Yeah. Ali, put mo na there anak ko. Isalin mo na. And then let's go. Punta na kami sa ano guys.
So I brought these fries and 2 chicken nuggets as a takeout in a chicken fingers box and that can of Fanta. We couldn't finish it there because it's too big.
Punta na kami sa grocery. Open na yung ano doon, oh. Yung Chinese
Restaurant.
resto ng I mean, yun sa may Chinese restaurant yun. Milk tea. May open na yung ano nila sa may ice cream man. Tsaka milk tea. Ayan guys, may 7 kami na pulo. Ibibenta na rin namin to. Punta muna kami doon guys, Cradvat. Bibili kami ng ano ni Daddy. Glucose, sugar.
We love gratis.
Anak, go straight na di anak ko. Not look na kasi it's late na. Yung sugar lang.
I already have this one.
What?
I already have this one, by the way.
Yeah.
Let me check what's more.
No na. I'll go there na.
Wait!
Next time ang looking. Come now.
Hey! Got a new one!
Bless you. Let me see.
Mom, jackpot! Jackpot!
Let me see.
313, Mom, because I know that's on Donald Duck's Ducati, and yeah, that's the number of Donald Duck's Ducati. So I think the fact that there's 313 here is a jackpot.
And that's new Minecraft?
Yes.
I'm not going to buy that for you.
Oh.
If you want, you can spend your money from Danish family. You can spend some. That's for your birthday.
Oh.
They give you 100. And you can pay.
Wait.
You will spend €9.
Yeah, €9. Very close to €9.
Nene, 1 is enough. Come and help me in searching the glucose. Maybe they changed na the place. Come and help me. Search natin yung sugar. Sugar na yung yung lemon ha. Oh, here kun. Yeah, ni Daddy. Lemon.
Oh, dextrose. Dextrose.
Sige, pick ka.
Dextrose. Right, but we're gonna choose the energy.
Yeah, that one. Ikan, pay na. Wait. Take mo yung bonus card. Or we can buy ng
Because this
Wait.
This is the one that my
I think we can buy chocolate na
this
for
is the one that
Daddy.
my dad eats.
Yes. We can use some points.
Wow.
Pick ka ng wait.
And then we can have it free.
Yes.
Which one would you choose?
Caramel and milk. 75 points. Well, I'm not sure how much we have.
Caramel and milk? Which caramel?
Oh, there's here.
Oh.
Or one na lang because I'm not sure how much points we have.
We'll spend all points we
Yes.
have left.
So guys, ito. Puti umandara yung utak ko. Nagbayad muna kami para makita ko kung ilang points na meron kami. Kasi hindi ko alam yung lagyan. So may 303 points kami. Makakakuha kami ng 4 for free. Pambayad namin yung points.
Right, so we'll spend all of the points that we have. So we'll take only the white milk, butterscotch, and hazelnut. Because 75 plus 75 is 150. 150 plus 150 is 300. So we'll spend all of our points. What's this?
Sige. Go there. Ito guys. Wala kaming binayaran. Points yung pinambayad namin. May chocolates na si Daddy Ancon.
Okay, so the blue sign here is
Yeah. Pick one na.
6
First
cans
one, anak ko.
and 1 plastic.
Alis, sige. First
Boom,
one.
knop. Neem alsjeblieft uw...
Nalikam na anak ko. Ayan na yung mga bote oh. May mga nilabas na sila kanina eh. Do they have the ano? Pang this week? Last week?
Even funnier that they have...
And
the
stop,
new one
stand up
here.
kakon. They don't have?
Even funnier that they have...
Sa ano na lang nga Rod? Sa other shop. Next week na. Or after your school.
They have a new one though.
Is that new?
They have the... funny enough,
Is that the new
the
one?
newest is already in stores like Friday.
Yeah, that's
But
don't
Friday
eat.
before the week.
Yeah, are you sure?
That's so weird and funny.
But that's with book, huh? That's 10 euros na. Let me see, let me see. Can I look? Are you sure? So from last week they don't have. Ali, up now kon. What?
Only have chips.
We just bought yesterday.
Hey, mommy, Cheetos lost ringlings.
Yeah. Oh yes, there's no more ringlings.
Yeah,
It's long time na ng
Cheetos
ano.
lost ringlings.
You didn't have that.
It's taken over by Lays themselves.
Ano, sige, go. Not chips, no chips this time. Concentrate anak ko. Ali, mami na lang. Kam na anak ko? Let's pay na. Nay. Next time na ang ano. Tingin-tingin. It's late na oh. 5 na anak. Yun. Go now. Kung I'm tired na anak. So ayan guys, nakatawid na kami. 3 to 5 dinner time na. 4:30 kami nagdi-dinner or 5, 5:30 or 6. Naghihintay na si daddy. Tom Goods na. Pero may pagkain naman doon. Yun nga lang, hindi yung ano, pang dinner. Lobat na rin po ako. Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Bye po!